Now that you have your bag stuffed and you're ready for clay, you're going to come up and I am going to slice you using this cool, groovy, looks like a cheese slicer, but we use it for clay. And I'm going to slice you a slab of clay. It might be a little bit too big, so I'm going to adjust that down just a little bit. And I'm going to cut you a slice of clay. Once you have your clay slice like that, you are then going to take your slab and you are going to place it on top. Now we probably want this to be a little bit bigger. We want it to kind of fall over the bag a little bit to kind of give it more roundness. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the clay off and I'm going to start tapping it on the table. So I'm going to take the clay and I'm just going to kind of stretch it. I'm going to stretch it to one side. I'm going to flip to the other. And what you'll notice is that the clay is getting thinner. I'm going to do it the other way as well. You'll notice that it's getting a little bit bigger. And you're going to thin it out a little bit. We want to be careful that your clay doesn't become too thin. The base of your mask needs to be fairly thick. Okay, so you can see that I'm thinning it out, but I would say that's probably as thin as we want to go. And so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drape this on my bag. So you can see how this now makes a nice mask, and your mask is going to be about this big. So we're not going to be making necessarily a huge mask. These are going to be smaller masks. We are not carving anything away at this stage of the game. So your first step is to find your mold and get this onto your bag so you're ready to start adding details.